Space ABCs. Discover the universe from A to Z.
Hello, Wonderworld space explorers! Welcome to our ABC adventure among the stars. Ready to blast off and learn the alphabet? Today, we're going on a journey through the galaxy to discover the ABCs. Buckle up and let's start our space adventure. Let's go! A is for alien. Look at these friendly, cute alien friends. They come from a far-off galaxy and love to dance and jump and skip around. Can you wave hello to them? B is for black hole. It's a mysterious space hole that pulls everything in. It's super cool but very powerful. Can you make a swirling motion with your hand? Great job, friends! C is for comet. Comets zoom through space with a sparkling tail. They look like shooting stars. Let's pretend to be comets and zoom around. D is for dwarf planet. These are small planets that orbit the sun just like the big ones, but they are a bit smaller. Say hi to our dwarf planet friend. E is for Earth, our very own planet. Isn't it beautiful? It's where we live and play. Give Earth a big wave from space. Did you know the Earth is the third closest planet to the sun? How cool is that? F is for flying saucer. This is a fun spaceship that zooms around the galaxy. Let's imagine we're in a flying saucer and soar through the stars. G is for galaxy. A galaxy is a huge collection of stars, planets, and more. Our galaxy is called the Milky Way. Can you spin around like a galaxy? That's fun! H is for hyperspace. It's a special way to travel super fast across the universe. Ready for a super speedy ride? Zoom with me! I is for International Space Station. It's a home for astronauts who live and work in space. Would you like to live here? I think it would be so fun. Can you wave to the astronauts up there? What do you think they are doing right now? J is for Jupiter. It's the largest planet in our solar system. Look at those stripes. Let's all make big circles to show how big Jupiter is. Did you know Jupiter actually has rings, but they are so very hard to see? Cool, right? K is for Krypton. That's the home planet of Superman and where he was born. It's a special place in superhero world. Can you strike a superhero pose with me? Good job! Who is your favorite superhero? L is for laser. Lasers are powerful beams of light. They can be used for fun and science. In space, a lot of the colors and lights look like lasers. But, fun fact, lasers cannot actually be seen in space. M is for meteor. Meteors are rocks from space that can create a bright streak when they enter our atmosphere. Let's imagine we're meteors and zoom across the sky. N is for nebula. A nebula is a cloud of gas and dust where new stars are born. It's like a cosmic painting full of beautiful colors. Let's pretend we're painting the stars and paint a big picture full of nebulas. O is for orbit. Orbiting is when a planet moves around the sun. Did you know that there are 8 planets that orbit around the sun? The closest planet to the sun is Mercury, and the farthest away is Neptune. Earth, the planet we live on, is third away from the sun. Let's spin around like planets orbiting in space. P is for planet. Planets are big, round objects that travel around stars. Which planet is your favorite? Let's name a few together. There is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, and Neptune. Wow, there are so many planets. I'm having so much fun learning about everything so far. Q is for quasar. Quasars are super bright objects in space that shine really far away. They're like cosmic beacons. Do you have a flashlight? You can shine bright like a quasar with your flashlight. R R is for rocket. Rockets help us travel to space. Did you know they could reach speeds of up to 24,500 miles per hour? Let's pretend we're in a rocket ready for launch. 3, 2, 1, blast off! S is for star. Stars shine brightly in the night sky. Did you know our sun is a star too? Stars are huge, glowing balls of gas. The biggest stars could swallow up the planet Saturn. Twinkle like a star with your fingers. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. T is for telescope. Telescopes help us see faraway stars and planets. Something really cool about telescopes in history is that the first telescopes were used by sea merchants and the military. That is so cool! U is for UFO. UFO stands for Unidentified Flying Object. Sometimes people see mysterious flying objects. Let's imagine we're in a UFO exploring space. Have you ever seen a UFO? V is for Venus. Venus is one of the hottest planets in our solar system. It's very bright in the sky. Let's wave to Venus as we fly by. W is for wormhole. A wormhole is like a shortcut through space. It helps you travel from one place to another super quickly. Let's take a wormhole trip. Would you keep your eyes opened or closed? I feel it would be like a roller coaster ride. X is for X-ray telescope. This special telescope helps us see things that are very far away and very bright. The X-ray telescope allows us to observe supernova remnants, hot gases in galaxy clusters, black holes, and neutron stars. Y is for year. This is the time it takes for a planet to orbit the sun. For example, a year on Mars is 687 Earth days, while a year on Mercury is only 88 Earth days. For Earth, a year is 365 days. It's very interesting that a year can be different for so many planets. Z is for zodiac. The zodiac signs are constellations in the sky that people have named. For example, your birthday month has a named constellation. Have you ever looked up at the stars to see different constellations? Sometimes they look like animals, different shapes, or different characters. Wow, that was an amazing space adventure! We've learned so many cool things about space and the ABCs. Remember, keep looking up at the stars and dreaming big. The universe is full of wonders just waiting for you to discover. Thanks for exploring with me, and don't forget to subscribe for more cosmic fun. See you next time, Wonder World Space Explorers. Bye for now.